Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Enid Sinclair from Wednesday. So let's get started. To draw cute Enid, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. Now that my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two smaller circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, so my eyes in, I'm going to come to the sides right here and spruce them up with some lashes. So I'm just going to add some curves, and just two. And same thing here. And spruce them up. Then let's come above her eye, about right here, and we're going to draw her brow. So just a soft arc and bring it down. And same thing here, so just sticking it up a little bit. And same thing here. So it's just soft arc and down. There. And then let's give Enid a sweet smile because she's always very happy, right? So let's say about right here. And draw a big smile, big curve, slightly goes upwards, and cap it off. Then let's go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of my eye, come really close to those lashes, give myself a point. Same thing here. And we're going to start to draw the bottom of a U. So I'm just going to bring this down. And I'm going to find my center. So just imagining this is coming down. So say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. This is easier for me to see where I'm going since I'm drawing pretty big. So let's bring this down, this curve. Oops. And as always, this is always the hardest part for me. Be very gentle with it. Okay, so now that we've framed the face in, let's see here. Let's bring this, well, no, actually, let's just leave it there and let's imagine an oval. So her hair is going to part to the side. So let's say about right here. I'll give myself a point. And from here, I'm going to bring a curve down. Back to this point right here. And then on this side, I'm going to curve up slightly and then bring a curve all the way down to her brow area where we started and just wiggle it out. So then in this space right here, we're just going to continue a curve for her head. So then on this side, we're going to also draw another curve that just kind of tapers in. And then let's part her hair. Just come right back to here and then just draw a curve to about right there. And from here, we're going to go up and then come down on this side. So let's see here. Let's bring this up. And then we're going to start to flatten it out a little bit as we come to the sides. And we're going to start to wiggle a little bit because she does have some curls towards the bottom. So wobble a little bit. But we are going to stop there for now and draw her body before we finish off the rest of her hair. So let's come right back to the center area and we're going to give her a little neck. So let's say about right here, she has this high collar for her uniform. So I'm going to give her this little curve right here and then we're going to bring it out. Come down and connect for her little collar. Right there, and then we're going to use this as our point to come down for her shoulders. So same thing here, just down, shoulders. Then in this space right here, I'm going to go ahead and just start a curve coming down on both sides. Oh, actually, you know what? I should have come out Oh well. Well, you know what? I kind of do need some space. So I'm going to bring down a curve. I should have come down a little bit further out. So not right next to it. So about right there, because I forgot I have to draw this little V right here. Let's bring this down and go up. And then we're going to thicken this up. So sorry for the mess right there. But it's just going to be this little V. And in this spot right here is where we're going to draw the tie. There. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and bring this down. So this is her blazer for her school uniform. We're going to keep bringing it down. And so this is where her shoulders are. And we're going to come about right here. And I'm just going to draw a slight curve. Right here and here. So we're just going to keep bringing this down. Let's go ahead, bring this down more. So we have to see kind of where you want to put her waist. And I'll say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and cut it off. And then skip a little bit of space, and this is where her skirt starts. So just draw two of these lines right there. So now that I know that's her waist area, I'm going to bring this blazer down just a little bit more. And so let's go ahead. I'm going to flare it out a little bit. And about right there. Go ahead and connect. So same thing here. So just step back and take a look. See how far you want me to bring your jacket down. Okay, so then now that I have that, let's come back right here. Just come in a little bit and we're going to draw her skirt. So let's angle it out and angle it out to about right here. About right there, and then I'm going to go ahead and just connect it with a curve all the way across. Nice and simple. And then we're going to draw her feet. So our center right here, this is our center, so we're just going to come across a little bit and a little bit right here to start her leg. So let's start on this one. I'm just going to bring it down and angle, so just facing forward, nice and simple. So one leg right there, and then about right here, I'm going to cut it off with a curve, and then we're just going to go ahead and draw the feet. So bring it down and flare it out. Down and flare it out and connect. And then right here for some details. Top of the shoe, and then the sides, and then a little curve inside. And then she's wearing some socks, so I'm going to cut it off right about here. There's a stripe right here, so I'll thicken that up, and then another line. And you can pop this out if you like. And so same thing on this side. So about right here. And cut it off. And once again, same thing like the other side. And her socks. There. Okay, so now that we have that part in, let's go ahead and we're going to just bring this up just to finish it off right here and here. And then for her arms, I'm just going to have them behind her back. So we don't have to draw too many details, right? So let's bring this down. And let's say about right, kind of where her elbow would be. And then we're going to bend it in. There, so same thing here. Imagine kind of like where her elbow would be. So just bring this across. Make sure you're bending about the same area. And then bring it in to there. Same thing on the other side. There. Okay, so then let's go ahead and finish her hair before we make all those details. So let's come back to here and we're just gonna wobble away down, and about right here we're just gonna flare it out, just give it some strands and then just bring it in. So same thing here, just wobble a little bit and bring it in, and then for some details just continue this, just add in some curves. And of course, when you're coloring it, you can add those little colors on the ends of her hair. And I'm just going to draw in some of these curves for the parting line. And that is pretty much it for her hair. So let's go ahead and finish the details on her blazer. So I'm going to come about right here and draw an angle line, and then I'm going to bring curve, angle all the way down. And then right here, the second part, about there, and then angle in. So same thing on this side. So about right here, angle and bring it in. There. Now it's starting to look more complete, right? And the angle and in. Then let's see, we can add a pocket right here. Of course, there's all the stripes on her jacket, but I'll do that when I'm coloring it because I don't want to muddle it up right now with the Sharpie. And button. And then she has the school logo right here, the patch, but I'm just going to make this like a pocket just to simplify it. Too many details, right? And I'll add a heart right here because she is my Draw So Cute Enid, right? I hope I'm saying her name right. Please excuse me if I'm not. Okay, so let's see here. You can draw some lines here. For her texture, for her skirt. But that is pretty much it for my version here, my Draw So Cute version here of Enid Sinclair from Netflix Wednesday. I really hope you love how she turned out just as much as all the drawings I've done of Wednesday so far. And thanks so much for watching. And if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.